So if you thought the introduction of Starlink to cruise ships would lead to lower internet prices,
You serious?
I want you to think again. While Starlink costs are significantly lower than what cruise lines previously paid for satellite-based internet, the industry has found a new revenue model: offer faster internet and charge you way more money for it. Princess Cruises recently notified travel agents of a substantial increase to its internet connection prices, up to 65% more for a single device connection and 12% more for a 4-device package. But here's the catch: if you bundle your internet package with other offerings like beverage plans and so on, you can still snag the old pricing. It's a smart move by Princess Cruises to steer guests towards bundled offers, but of course it left many of us scratching our heads. A lot of people are tired of being nickel and dimed for every single thing on your cruise. But what are the new rates? Brace yourself. The single device Wi-Fi rate has skyrocketed to $24.99 per day, up from the previous $14.99. Similarly, the 4-device package now sets you back at $44.99, a 12.5% increase from $39.99. Now, guests who already bought the Medallion Net at previous rates will not be affected by this increase. Now, Princess Cruises emphasizes the unchanged pricing of Princess Plus and Princess Premier packages, making individual packages less appealing against the premium ones. The Princess Plus, priced at around $60 per person per day, includes perks like beverage packages, unlimited Wi-Fi, gratuities, specialty dining, room service, fitness classes, Ocean Now delivery, and unlimited juice bar. While the Princess Premium package, priced at about $80 per person per day, adds Wi-Fi access to 4 devices and upgrades your beverage package to premium selections, along with specialty dining and professional photos. But of course, by raising the Wi-Fi costs to nearly half of what an entire premium package would cost, Princess Cruises is essentially nudging guests towards purchasing items like beverage and dining packages that they might not have otherwise chosen. Sneaky, right? Well, this is not the first time Princess Cruises has bundled packages. Last year, they revamped their dining options, offering a free 3-course meal for package holders while charging everybody else. It's all about maximizing profits, folks. I hope you're used to this. And here's the kicker: the timing of this Wi-Fi price hike couldn't be more interesting. It coincides with the upcoming maiden voyage of the Princess Cruises' newest ship, the Sun Princess, set to embark on a 10-day Grand Mediterranean cruise from Barcelona to Rome starting February 8th of 2024. I noticed that a lot of cruise lines like to introduce paid services and price increases on their newer ships. So what do you think about all of these changes? Are you on board with the bundled packages, or are you setting sail for smoother waters elsewhere? Personally, to be honest, I'm kind of tired of being nickel and dimed for every single thing on my cruise. If they got a discount on their internet, they should have passed it down to their passengers, who would have been happy. It would have increased their PR. But of course, nowadays, it's all about making money and squeezing the most you can out of your passengers on a cruise ship. As always, I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.